Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Now there's like a million eyebrow tutorial on YouTube on how to do your eyebrows that are very good, but this is how I do my eyebrow. So let's get on with this video. So really and truly, I am very simple and I don't like a lot of I just like something quick, simple, and easy. So the very first thing that I do, I like to use I call it a spoolie. I don't know if it's a spoolie. It's like a brush for your brows. And I just make sure that I brush my brows. Right? And for me, in order to get like a really good, nice eyebrow shape, is to just make sure that you neaten up and you tidy up your brows, make sure it's looking clean and everything like that, in terms of it's looking fresh, you know. So if you have to pluck it, shave it, wax it, just do that. It makes a huge difference on how your brows look. This is my absolutely favorite eyebrow pencil to use. It's by LA Colors. Let me show you if you guys can see. Do you guys see it? It's by LA Colors, and I love how it comes in two parts. The first part, when you open it, it's the brush for your eyebrows, and then on the other end it's the applicator. And then I like how it's very thin and slant, so it really helps in structuring your eyebrows or drawing on your eyebrows really nicely. And I believe this color it's called warm brown. All right, so I'm going to use the other side and just draw how I would like my eyebrows to look. So I start from here to here, and then I'm actually following the actual structure of my brows. So where the arch starts, there's where I'm going to start to make an arch with my brows. All right. So I draw it on first. I'm going to draw the other side too as well. And then I just fill it in. And I try not to fill in from the beginning. I kind of start more inward. Like not too close to where my eyebrows actually start, because I don't want my eyebrows looking too harsh. So that's what I'm actually doing. And I love this brush because it just really just makes a huge difference. Alright, so I'm taking the other side, the brush applicator, and just kind of bringing down this. And what I'm just doing is just taking off all the any harsh lines from my brows. Right. Now, I did moisturize my face, which I don't actually do before, but I was filming another video. So I'm going to go in with this retractable pencil and just try to enhance, you know. So now I'm going to conceal my brows using the LA Girls, is it LA Girls? Yes, LA Girls Pro Concealer. I'm using this brow brush. I really love this brush for like just correcting any mistakes that I've made with my brows. It's so thin and precise. And I just clean up my brows. Now, I'm not the type of person, I like my brows to look as natural as possible. That when you see it, it shouldn't look like if I like Like, you know for sure that I just don't like how that looks. And I just put some right on top. And then I go in with this foundation brush and just blend it out. And I like to blend coming down too as well, so that sometimes I don't even have to put concealer on my eyebrows, on my eyelids, because I just already did that process. So sometimes I like to do that. Alright, and as you guys can see that I have a bit of a unibrow there, so I just come down with the concealer so that I just don't have a unibrow. Alright, I just come down with the concealer a little bit. Even to the side so that it kind of fades a little bit. Alright. And then I go back in with my spoolie just to fade the beginning of my brows. Just that it just comes in some more. And I just wipe off any excess concealer. Alright guys, and that's how I do my brows. Simple and easy, and this is how it looks. But if a huge tip, just make sure that you touch up your brows, your actual brows, before you start to fill it. I find that you get like a much better result that way. You get your brows look more cleaner and more defined that way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and comment down below which beauty or lifestyle related video would you like me to do next, and I will surely do it for you guys. So thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, and bye.